President cancels the executive order.
Hindi naman cancels. He said, go back to the drawing board is what the President's message was today. Because he has listened to the concerns of the residents of Metro Manila, and he has also listened to experts who have informed him na merong mas epektibong paraan at may mga makabagong teknolohiya, sabi nga na pwede natin gawin to ng mas mabilis. So, I think yun ang pinaka-importante. Kasi yung initial plan kasi ng DPWH ay yung traditional, yung conventional na paraan. Sisirain natin yung kalye, gagagay ng bagong konkreto at ilalagyan ng asfalto. Pag gagawin kasi, sabi nga ni Pangulo, aabutin tayo ng 2 taon. And I think with the information that the President has received and when he listened to the calls of the residents of Metro Manila, he has instructed us now to find a better way. Nagbigay siya ng 1 buwan para mag-present ang DPWH, katulong ng ibang agencies tulad ng DOTR at ng MMDA, na kailangan paigsiin natin to. Sabi nga niya, kung kaya ng 6 na buwan, gawin natin 6 na buwan na lang. So, yun ang gagawin po natin. No? Dahil yun ang utos ng ating Pangulo at yun din ang gustong mangyari ng marami nating mga kababayan.